Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning on a Canon MG6150. And this is an automated process that can be done from the printer itself, and we're going to do it just navigating on these buttons here. So from the main home screen you've got copy, photo, scan. So we know we're in the right place. I'm going to go down two screens using the arrow keys here, and on the right hand side here we've got setup. So you press the button directly underneath setup, and then we need to go into maintenance, which luckily is the first option selected. Press OK again. And from here it's quite simple. You've got your two options, you've got your cleaning and your deep cleaning. Deep cleaning is just a more thorough version of cleaning. I'm going to do it in this instance because I've got an entire colour that's missing from my prints from a nozzle check pattern I've done previously. So I'm going to go straight into that. Right, and there's a warning, it uses a lot of ink. That is because your printer will just push as much ink as it can through the print head to try and dislodge any dried ink that's in there. So you get a little ask for confirmation there. Now obviously it's important to make sure you've got paper in there, because after you've done a clean you'll get the option to print another nozzle check pattern, which you'll want to do to see the result. So this will take a little while for him here, so I'm just going to leave it be. And I hope this has been useful. If there's anything you want to know specifically, do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.